Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn classes and objects in Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Means everything in Java is associated with classes and objects. Classes and objects are basic concept of object-oriented programming language. So what is a class? A class is defined as a blueprint or template from which objects are created. Class describe the behavior or state of an object. Class is needed to create an object. We cannot create any object without a class. Class is a logical entity. It cannot be physical. Class declaration includes modifiers which can be public, private, protected or default. Class keyword, class name which can be any name. Superclass if any superclass is there. Interface if any interface is there, and the class body which is within the curly braces. Second is objects in Java. An object is an instance of a class. It is an entity that has state and behavior. An object is a real-time entity. It consists state which is represented by attributes, behavior which is represented by methods, and identity. Each object has a unique ID which is used by JVM to differentiate each object and not visible to external user. So let's understand classes and objects with the help of program. To define a class, we need modifier like public and then class keyword and the class name. I name the class as test and the body is within curly braces. The main class always should be public or default, and there are some predefined naming rule for class, like the class name must not contain any white spaces. The class name cannot start with any special letter like $sign or at the rate. And if I want to name a class more than one word, then first letter of each word should be capital. Like if I want to name a class test example, then the name should be like this. So I name this class as test, and the class contain attributes and method. So how to declare attributes? Attributes can be declared like this, and methods, we can declare methods like access modifier which is public, and then return type of method, and then method name. I name this method as hello, and this is the method body within curly braces. So in this method I print hello world system.out.println and then hello. So let's check, can we execute this program without any main method? So to execute, we need to compile this program Java C and then test.java. This program is successfully compiled. Means we can compile any Java program without main method, but we cannot run this program Java and then test. If I run this program, then it will throw an error like main method not found in this class. So we cannot run any program without main method. So we need to declare main method here, like which is public static void main and then method body. So now, how can I execute this method? So to execute this method, we need an object of this class. So to create an object, we need to write test and then t1, which is reference variable, and new is keyword and test is class name. So this is the syntax to create an object of a class, and we can call any method of this class using t1 reference variable. So we can call hello method by using t1 dot hello. So now this program will successfully run. So let's save this program same as test.java and then run it again. So compile it and run it. So now hello world is printed here. We can access non-static variable by using t1 reference variable. So how can we access? So if I want to access x variable, then we need to write t1 dot x. Using dot, we can access non-static variable and methods of the class. So save this program and run it. So the 10 is written here, means we can access this non-static variable using t1 reference variable, which is the object of test class. We can create more than one object of this class. So by using same method, we can create a new object t2, and then we print same variable by using t2 reference variable. So save this program and run it again. So now for t1 and t2, the x variable is same, like 10 and 10. If I change this variable for t1 reference variable like 5, then it only change for t1 reference variable. It does not affect t2 reference variable, means now the value of t1 dot x is 5 and t2 dot x is same as 10, because if we create any object of this class, then non-static variable are assigned to each object of this class. So let's save this program and run it again. If I execute this program, so first hello method is executed and then t1 dot x, which is now 5, and then t2 dot x, which is 10. So this is how we can access the methods and non-static variables of any class using object. And this is the syntax to create an object. Thank you for watching.